Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. A 35-year-old man was shot and killed by his father at their business place in St. Andrew. The incident happened this morning. The deceased has been identified as Ruel Knight, a past student of Jamaica College. The father, a well-known figure in the meat and food distribution sector, has turned himself in to the police. He reportedly said he acted in self-defense. Ricardo Knight, a brother of the deceased, said that he was shot in cold blood during a heated verbal dispute between the two. As the COVID virus continued to show how dangerous it is, Jamaicans are now more and more deciding on taking the vaccine, as prevention is better than to cure, as we would say. We could see community health aides issuing tickets to people outside the St. Joseph's Hospital in Kingston. A large crowd gathered at the institution today to receive their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.